Have you ever wondered if you could eat your way to firmer, younger-looking skin? There are actually 12 vegetables that can rebuild your collagen from the inside out. You're not going to want to miss this. Today, we're looking at vegetables that are scientifically proven to boost collagen production. These aren't expensive supplements or beauty treatments, but real, natural foods that fight aging and restore your skin from the inside out. Stick around to find out how these foods can transform your skin and your overall health. Collagen is the protein that keeps our skin firm and elastic, but as we age, our bodies produce less of it. This leads to wrinkles, sagging, and thinning skin. So, what can we do to reverse the effects of aging naturally? We need to boost our collagen production from within, and the secret might be hidden in the vegetables we eat. If you want to learn more about collagen and how to smooth wrinkles naturally, join our Collagen Blueprint free community today. Now let's talk about the vegetables that can help us out. Vegetable number 1. Okra. Okra is one of the most underrated collagen-boosting vegetables. It's loaded with vitamin C. 1 cup of cooked okra provides about 26 milligrams. Plus, it contains something even more important for collagen, mucilage. The slimy texture in okra comes from mucilage, a gel-like substance rich in polysaccharides. These compounds support collagen synthesis and help maintain skin hydration. Mucilage also contains glycoproteins that work with your body's natural collagen production pathways. Okra is an excellent source of vitamin K, which reduces inflammation and supports skin health. It also contains folate, essential for cell division and tissue repair, both critical for maintaining healthy collagen levels. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that okra extract had strong antioxidant properties and protected cells from oxidative damage. The antioxidants in okra neutralize free radicals that would otherwise break down collagen fibers. Okra also provides copper and magnesium, trace minerals that activate enzymes involved in collagen formation and cross-linking. How to eat it. 1 cup 3 to 4 times weekly, lightly steamed, roasted, or added to soups and stews. Don't overcook, it becomes too slimy and loses vitamin C. Vegetable number 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen from breaking down. Lycopene specifically protects against UV-induced collagen degradation, the primary cause of premature aging. Cooked tomatoes provide more bioavailable lycopene than raw ones. The heating process breaks down cell walls and makes lycopene easier to absorb. Tomatoes also contain vitamin C, which works synergistically with lycopene to both protect and build collagen. How to eat them. 1 cup daily, cooked in sauces, soups, or roasted. Add olive oil to increase lycopene absorption since it's fat-soluble. Vegetable number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and chlorophyll, all supporting collagen production. Leafy greens contain lutein, which accumulates in your skin and provides internal UV protection. A German study found people who consumed lutein-rich foods showed 25% less sun damage when exposed to UV light. I personally used to drink a cup of vegetable juice daily, and it helped me lose weight, heal from anxiety, and the bonus was beautiful, bright skin texture. Comment vegetable juice recipe for my recipe. These greens are rich in vitamin K, which reduces inflammation and supports calcium regulation, both important for skin health and collagen maintenance. The sulfur compounds in leafy greens provide raw materials for collagen and keratin production. How to eat them. 2 cups daily, raw in salads or lightly steamed. Pair with healthy fats to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Vegetable number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli contains vitamin C, sulforaphane, and compounds that activate your body's antioxidant systems. 1 cup provides over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. Sulforaphane is a unique compound that activates NRF2 pathways in your cells. These pathways turn on genes that produce antioxidant enzymes, protecting collagen from oxidative damage. Broccoli also contains alpha-lipoic acid, which protects both the water-soluble and fat-soluble parts of your cells from damage. How to eat it. 1 cup daily, lightly steamed to preserve vitamin C and activate sulforaphane. Don't overcook. It destroys nutrients. Vegetable number 5. Carrots. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A stimulates fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen, and increases collagen production in aging skin. Carrots also contain silicon, a trace mineral essential for collagen and connective tissue formation. Silicon strengthens the bonds between collagen fibers. The antioxidants in carrots protect against free radical damage that breaks down collagen prematurely. How to eat them. 1 medium carrot daily, raw or cooked. Eat with healthy fat to improve beta-carotene absorption. Vegetable number 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin C. 1 medium sweet potato provides over 400% of your daily vitamin A needs and significant vitamin C. The vitamin A stimulates collagen production, while vitamin C provides the cofactor needed to actually build collagen molecules. Together, they create a powerful collagen-boosting effect. Sweet potatoes contain copper, essential for activating lysyl oxidase, the enzyme that cross-links collagen fibers into strong, stable structures. How to eat them. 1 medium sweet potato 3 to 4 times weekly, baked or roasted with the skin on for maximum nutrients. Vegetable number 7. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that are essential for collagen production. Sulfur provides the building blocks for collagen and helps form the bonds that give it strength. Garlic is rich in taurine and lipoic acid, which help rebuild damaged collagen fibers. Studies show these compounds can restore collagen in aging skin. The allicin in garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce the inflammatory signals triggering collagen breakdown. How to eat it. 1 to 2 cloves daily, crushed or minced. Let it sit for 10 minutes after crushing to activate beneficial compounds. Vegetable number 8. Cucumber. Cucumbers are rich in silica, a trace mineral that strengthens connective tissue and promotes collagen synthesis. Silica is found in high concentrations in cucumber skin. But here's the remarkable part. Cucumbers contain fisetin, a flavonoid that activates longevity genes and reverses cellular aging. Research published in Aging Cell found that fisetin activates pathways that remove damaged cells and promote tissue regeneration. This includes activating collagen genes and reversing UV damage at the cellular level. How to eat them. 1 cucumber daily with skin on. Add to salads, make cucumber water, or eat as a snack. Vegetable number 9. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamin C. 1 cup provides over 120% of your daily needs. They also contain vitamin K, which reduces inflammation and supports skin health. Like broccoli, Brussels sprouts contain sulforaphane that activates antioxidant pathways protecting collagen from damage. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals that would otherwise damage collagen. The alpha-lipoic acid in Brussels sprouts protects collagen from both UV damage and glycation, the process where sugar damages collagen proteins. How to eat them. 1 cup 2 to 3 times weekly, roasted or steamed. Don't overcook. Vegetable number 10. Beets. Beets contain betalains, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect collagen. They're also rich in vitamin C and folate. Beets are one of the best sources of dietary nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide improves blood flow, and better circulation means more nutrients and oxygen reaching skin cells and supporting collagen production. How to eat them. 1 small beet 2 to 3 times weekly, roasted, steamed, or juiced. Vegetable number 11. Asparagus. Asparagus is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin E, and glutathione, the master antioxidant. Glutathione levels decline with age, and this decline is directly linked to accelerated aging. Asparagus contains proline, one of the main amino acids that make up collagen. Getting proline from food supports your body's collagen production. Asparagus also contains folate, essential for cell division and tissue regeneration. How to eat it. 1 cup 2 to 3 times weekly, lightly steamed or roasted. Vegetable number 12. Red cabbage. Red cabbage is rich in vitamin C and anthocyanins, the compounds that give it its purple color. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that protect collagen from free radical damage. Red cabbage contains sulfur compounds that provide building blocks for collagen synthesis. It's also rich in vitamin A and vitamin K. The glucosinolates in red cabbage activate detoxification pathways that remove compounds that would otherwise damage collagen. How to eat it. 1 cup 2 to 3 times weekly, raw in salads or lightly cooked. The meal timing strategy. Here's what makes everything work together. The timing and combination of these vegetables matter. Morning. Start with vegetables high in vitamin C to support collagen synthesis throughout the day. Bell peppers, tomatoes, or leafy greens in an omelet or smoothie. Lunch. Include vegetables with antioxidants and sulfur compounds. Broccoli, garlic, and leafy greens in a salad or stir-fry. Dinner. Add vegetables with compounds that support overnight repair. Sweet potatoes, beets, and Brussels sprouts. What to avoid? Don't overcook vegetables. High heat destroys vitamin C and other delicate nutrients. Avoid frying in vegetable oils, which creates inflammatory compounds. Don't rely on just 1 or 2 vegetables. Variety is essential for getting all collagen-supporting nutrients. If you want to take your skincare to the next level and see smoother, firmer skin in just 90 days or less, join our Collagen Blueprint community today. You'll get routines, recipes, courses, and a supportive group, all for free as a founding member. Click the link in the description to get started now. Simple, natural things work the best. God gave us all the remedies we need right here on Earth. I pray God bless you and heal any illness in your body. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.